Hello everyone, welcome to Love British English. First of all, I just want to wish everybody a happy new year, and if you're looking to improve your English speaking skills, today I've got 10 common phrasal verbs that are naturally used in everyday conversation. Native speakers in the UK frequently use these, but they might be less familiar to non-natives, as this is something that isn't usually taught in textbooks. And of course, as always, I'll be providing the meaning and an example sentence for each phrasal verb. By the end of the lesson, you should have a better understanding of how to use these phrasal verbs in conversation. So if you're ready, let's get started. Number one, we have to crack on. To crack on. Conveniently, this is the first phrasal verb, and it means to start or continue doing something. In my case, I'm cracking on with the lesson, starting the lesson. For example, let's crack on with the lesson. There's no time to waste. Number two, to knuckle down. To knuckle down. This means to start working or studying in a serious way. For example, if you want to improve your English speaking skills, I suggest you knuckle down. It means to start and focus seriously on studying English. I suggest you knuckle down. Number three, carry on, or to carry something on. This means to continue doing something, maybe something that you've already started and you want to continue it. For example, carry on with your work, I'll be back in a minute. Number four, we have to fall through. To fall through. This means something has failed to happen or has been cancelled. For example, I was hoping to get that flat, but the offer fell through. Number five, to come up with something. To come up with something. So this means to think of an idea or come up with a plan. For example, now that the offer on the flat fell through, I need to come up with something. So I need to come up with a plan. I need to think of plan B. Number six, to catch up. To catch up. Some of you probably already know that this means to talk to someone and update each other on news or events, but it can also mean something else. It means to do something that you haven't had time for. For example, now that the Christmas holidays are over, I have a lot of work to catch up on. So I haven't had time to do it. So now that the holidays are over, I need to catch up with that work. So number seven, to tuck in. To tuck in. If someone tells you to tuck in, it means to start eating. For example, we're all hungry, so let's just tuck in. Or maybe tuck in, your food's getting cold. Number eight, to screw up. To screw up or to screw something up. This means to make a mistake or cause something to go wrong. For example, he screwed up the recipe and the dinner was a disaster. Or I totally screwed up the booking and we missed the flight. Number nine, to bring up or to bring something up. This means to introduce or mention a topic or a subject or an issue into the conversation. For example, I wasn't sure if I should bring it up, but I finally asked her about her health problems. Or you could say, he always brings up the same old stories at parties and it gets a little bit boring. And number 10, to let someone down. To let someone down. So this means to disappoint or fail to meet someone's expectations, often by not fulfilling a promise. Here's an example. I hate to let you down, but I can't make it to dinner tomorrow night. So when we say that we can't make it somewhere, it means that we are unable to attend, we are unable to be present at a particular place or event. For example, sorry, I can't make it to the meeting tomorrow, something's come up. And that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you found today's lesson useful. Now it's your turn. Try using these phrasal verbs in sentences and write them down in the comment section below, and I'll check them to make sure that you're using them correctly. But for now, enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.